Malawi Today.
Honorable member-elect, you repeat after me. We'll start with oath of allegiance. I,
Alfred Gangata,
do swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Malawi, and that I will observe, protect, and defend the Constitution of Malawi, as by law established. So help me God.
So help me God.
Oath of office. I,
Alfred Gangata,
swear that I will
well and truly serve the Republic of Malawi in the office.
Let's take it again.
Okay.
I,
Alfred Gangata,
swear that I will well and truly serve the Republic of Malawi in the office of Member of Parliament, and will do right and justice to all manner of people in accordance with the laws and usages of Malawi, without fear or favor, affection or ill will. So help me God.
So help me God.
Honorable members,